Hey everyone, Coach Gabby here, and I'm so excited to show you a full body workout. First, we're gonna go through the motions, I'm gonna show you the demo, and then we're gonna do it all together. So first, we have a classic jumping jacks. This is really great for warm-ups. We're gonna be doing this for 30 seconds. So, out, in, out, in. If this is a bit much for your knees, you can do a stepping jack. So the modification for this would be just step out. All right, and we're doing that for 30 seconds. Next, we have lunges with a torso twist. So in lunge position, making sure that your knee is right above your feet, we're gonna go into lunge and twist. Lunge and twist, all right? And we're gonna do 10 on the right, 10 on the left. After that, we have a squat with a standing cross crunch, all right? So in squat position, squat, crunch, squat, crunch. You can have your hands in front of you or up here by your head. Personal choice, whatever you want, all right? Next, we have the pike press. Now, this is a little bit difficult, but with time, I promise it gets easier, and there are some modifications for it. So, taking it down to the ground, we're going to start in a plank position, and then you are going to bring your hips up into a downward dog. And from here, you're going to do a push-up. And then press push-up. If this is too much for you, you can keep it here at a downward dog, stretch your back, engage your arms, and that's fine. So, you know, take it at your own pace and you'll get there in time. It's all good. And after that, we have our cool down. This is really nice and relaxing after a tedious, hard workout. We want to stretch it out. So we're going to the side, stretch one side, stretch the other side, and then forward bend. All right, and then that's one full stretch. Side, side, and forward, okay? And that is our full body workout. Let's do it together. All right, let's do it. So first we have our warm up, 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And even when you're jumping, you wanna remember to engage your core, suck in your stomach. Squeeze your arms. Also engage your legs. All right, keep going. Remember, if you need a modification for this, if this is a little bit too much for your knees, you can step out. All right. Almost done. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Awesome, that was our warm up. Now let's go to our lunge and torso twist. So in lunge position, you can have your arms here in front of you or on your hips, whatever you prefer. Just make sure your knee is right above your feet. All right, we're going to lunge, twist, lunge, twist, lunge, twist, lunge, twist. Remember to breathe in your nose, out your mouth. Go at your own pace, whatever is good for you. All right, we got 2 more. Last one. Up. Ooh, shake it out. It's a little sore. Felt that one. Now, next side. Lunge, twist. Lunge, twist. Remember on the twist to really engage your core, suck in your stomach, and make sure you're just, using your torso. You don't wanna use your entire body, you just wanna isolate your torso. Breathe in your nose, out your mouth. All right, we're almost done. Last one. And up. Shake, 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 shake. Next, we have our squat to standing cross crunch, all right? So in squat position, you can have your arms here in front or behind your back, okay? So we're going to squat and crunch. Squat and crunch. Now this is really good for your legs, your butt, your abs, and also your balance. Balance is really, really important. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1, done. Now our pike press. So taking it to the floor, starting in plank position. We are going to downward dog, and then we are going to push up. 1, 2. Remember to engage your core, suck in your stomach. Make sure that your back is flat. You don't want to arch your back. It's super important for your spinal health. Remember to breathe in your nose, out your mouth. We're almost done. 2 more. Up and done. You can gently come down on your knees. If you need to stretch out your back a little bit, go into child's pose. Catch your breath. You know, it's normal to go out of breath when you're working out. So take a second to find yourself. And we're gonna finish strong with our stretches, okay? So our side, forward, okay? Right to the side. Side. And forward. This is a really good opportunity to breathe, find yourself, stretch out those muscles. Side and forward. You can do these as many as you want. We're doing 10 now, but you can go as long as you want, as long as it feels good. Find your flow. Exercising should be fun, enjoyable, you time, me time, all that good stuff. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. Center. You can get fun with these arms too, you know? You don't have to just, do one thing. You can have fun. Move your body. Almost done. Last one. Big breath. Take a second, stay down here. Sway side to side. And up. And that is your full body workout. I hope you guys liked it. Click the link below for more workouts just like this and recipes. This is Coach Gabby. I hope to see you on the next one.